In September 2021, we went on a month-long journey through the Pacific Northwest. We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife van.
After spending the night in Newport, Oregon, and waking up to a cloudy morning, we decided to head further south along the coast. Pretty funky. Devil's Turn.
That guy way out there.
We stopped at Devil's Churn, Thor's Well, and Spouting Horn. We stopped at the Hedge Lighthouse for a beachside lunch and then decided to go down to the Sea Lion Caves. To enter the cave, you have to take a 20-floor elevator ride, and the walk inside the cave is the size of a football field. So that view elevator, we don't even know how many floors we're going down.
There's one way down.
To a sea cave. We visited Old Town Florence and did some shopping before stopping at Umpqua Dunes to hike to the top of the 500-foot tall sand dune. Does this look like we're in a sand dune environment?
Not at all. I think the sign is bubble.
We will see. Stand at the dunes. That was a steep little hill there, Rich.
That was
that 20%? And they said that side was easier? The sand dune up ahead is over 500 feet tall. Crazy. You want to go rent an ATV?
Yeah. With paddles.
Oregon coast. Definitely a different environment than we've ever been in. No. Cockatiel has no trees like this.
Come on.
I may or may not see you at the top. Too many stairs, too many hills, too many days in a row. Pick a lane. You can do it. I see another hill up there. Whew. One steeper than the other. Whew. Whereas, okay, I'm trying to feather it. I'm sliding down though when I feather it. Whew. 500 feet down, so
That must be.
that's the trail. You want to go over there? You go up, I'll go over here. You want to take this?
See you, Robin. May never see you again. The Sahara Desert. Looking for it. The double-humped camel to come by and bring me up here. They said it was right here. Robin! At the ridge. You can do it, Robin! Just start running. I know you can. Pretty cool, huh? See the water? Okay, now let's roll down.
You go, I'll hold the camera. Woo! That's steep.
Where are you going, Robin?
Look at those peaks. picture.
Drink some water.
Yes. Don't get dehydrated in the desert of Oregon. Oh wait, it's just a sand dune, not a desert. Are you amazed at the Oregon coast?
This is beautiful.
Yep. This is why everyone loves the Oregon coast, because
So wide. So those some right there?
yep.
Yeah.
We ended our night at Cape Argo near Coos Bay, where we enjoyed a great sunset view while making dinner and listening to the sounds of thousands of sea lions and seals off the shore.
It's not a simulation. I'm still dreaming, falling deeper within. This love is an ocean.
We spent a quiet night at Sunset Bay State Park, and in the morning we visited the Shores Acres Botanical Garden before going back to Cape Argo to view the sea lions and seals once again.